Oh, hey, what's up? How's it going? Brew and Feed here. I am in the backyard farm harvesting some fresh okra to cook. Okra is high in vitamin A, vitamin C. It's also high in antioxidants. The origins of where okra came from is very controversial or not really agreed upon. It's either West Africa, somewhere in Asia, one of the two. But okra is very good for you. You can use it in stews, like gumbo. You can use it to make soups. I like to pan fry it. You can chop it up and you can deep fry it with some breading and some cornmeal. But I like to pan fry mine. So let's go see what I'm working with. Brew strong and feed well.
Energy is fire, conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. I'll read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Different kind of blue. Starry in the daytime. Found my living proof with you. I might lose all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. I'll read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
Okay, our okra's all done and plated. You see that okra behind me? That's the okra plant. That okra plant is about I'm 6'2", so that okra plant is about my height, maybe a little taller. It'll grow another couple feet before the end of the season, so it's a very impressive plant. It produces a lot of okra. We got 4 or 5 plants. We got okra being harvested almost every day. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Okay, it's salty because I've added salt in there. The cinnamon comes through really nice, but not too strong. You got that pungent flavor from the cumin and the coriander. A tad bit of spiciness from the turmeric. It's very delicious. And it's not slimy. Like when you cook okra, and usually it's slimy. When you pan fry it like this and you open it up, you're basically searing out some of the sliminess. This is my favorite way to make okra. I recommend doing it this way, especially if you don't like the slimy texture. You get a little crunchiness in the skin. And I recommend pairing it with Brew and Feed's Belgian Strong Ale, or any Belgian Strong Ale that you can get, because Belgian Strong Ale has a slightly spicy character to it. Not spicy as in like hot peppers, but spicy as in peppery. And it goes down smooth. So Belgian Strong Ale is a little stronger, usually 8-9%. Some fruity notes, kind of think apple, pear, and it goes well with this seasoned okra. So that's it. Cheers. Brew strong and feed well.
Oh.